The iPhone.
Is it the new one?
No.
How do you have video?
This is Quick. QIK on a jailbroken phone.
Jailbroken.
So who are you and what do you do?
I keep dry. I sling cable.
He's a cable slinger.
Okay.
Oh my God.
What is
What
it?
was it?
Dead.
We'll all be run down and put out of our mission.
Streets open? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah, it's raining. We're stopped. Stopped here. We're swinging in the rain, just swinging in the rain. Sweating in the rain. Sweating in the rain, yes. What a wonderful feeling. We're sweating again. There's the red all covered up. I'm not going to film you. I'm not going to film you. I don't want you to break my phone.
Thank you.
I don't have you. I don't have you. Don't worry. Yeah, it's really raining now. Yeah, Caswell. That's you. Say hello.
Loving this stuff. So it's the fourth time we've rained today, third time?
Yeah, many, many, many times. Dude.
iPhone video?
Yeah,
You are the coolest.
I am.
It's raining. You didn't get that. Totally raining. Yeah, go for me. I have a clock going on this. My clock is running. Thanks for asking, though. My bad side, by the way. And
This light is so beautiful.
huh? That's my bad side as well. It's my better side. That one.
And what's your name and what do you do?
I'm Tom Tobin. I'm the second assistant director.
He really, really is. He's so cute.
You could shorten that to say AD, I guess.
Yeah, my Terry
Look at
goes
these
off
guys.
on
These
other
guys
things.
are just, they don't even have umbrellas or rain gear.
Hardcore.
Hardcore filmmakers.
Yeah, it's kind of got a little flooded zone down there.
Yeah. Yeah, we're still going to go, though. It's going to clear up, and we're gonna shoot. No worries.
I am not worried. I'm so not worried.
You got to call it out. Say the street's open. Street's still open.
Okay. Call it out. Street's still open.
Street's still open. Watch out.
Whoa.
Oh my God, Dan, you okay? Did we get that on tape? Whatever you call that? Did we get that on iPhone?
Yeah, iPhone drenched.
What does that go to?
Well, I'm going live. And
Oh, you're
where does
actually...
it go? When I go
Hello,
live.
Internet. This is us on the set of Rabbit Hole. It's our... Every day it's been raining, so I don't even know how to tell you how many days it's been raining. Every single day. But we're muddling through. We're getting it done like we do. You know.
That's what we do. This is Keith. He's the Red Tech.
Our Saran Wrap camera.
What do you have to say about this new build of the Red, by the way? You got something to say about
The new
build?
software build? It's buggy. But pretty soon, build 20 coming your way. I'm feeling like a sports commentator kind of jackassery here a little bit, but
You do it really well, I have to say. It sounds right.
side career for me.
Something. Well, it's not sunshine.
So I'm hoping that my tarp is holding up.
No, but we get, you know.
out here, apparently.